Hey everyone, in this video I have something really cool for you, and that's how you can use AI to get your own executive performance report every week and totally for free. So here, for example, I have mine where I got one for work, relationships and health, and you see I get actionable advice and it's really tailored to my situation and my life, and I just get that every week from now on, and I'm going to improve my life based on this. If we haven't met yet, nice to meet you. I'm Gregor. I used to be a management consultant, but now I'm focusing on entrepreneurial activities around AI. And so how can you get this? It's actually a question of capturing the right data and then just feeding it to AI. And the way I recommend you do that is by capturing qualitative data in the form of a journal and quantitative data in the form of a scorecard, and then you can feed it other information as well, such as your calendar or your tasks that you take care of every week. So in this case, let me show you what I have here, and I should mention I really just started using this yesterday, so it's totally new to me as well, but I think it's so great that I just wanted to share this with you as well. And of course, going forward in the coming months and years, I'll definitely share a lot more how to do this even better, but it's already really good as it is right now. So let me show you, for example, how I feed it data. So the personal scorecard that I have here, it looks like this. It's just a Google Sheet where I have questions that I care about that I'll fill out the answers every day. So for example, in my case, it's diet, it's my getting up time, my sleep time. So I have energy, and then I also rank these various categories of my life. And you see, I really just started super recently, and I feed this in. And this is a great input for ChatGPT or whatever AI you use to also track that over the weeks and months as well. And one cool thing here is that you can directly connect ChatGPT to Google Drive. Let me make this a bit smaller. So here, if you have this kind of paperclip, I actually ran out of the premium prompt, so I can't show you, but if you have this available, you click on it and then you can directly connect to Google Drive. And then in this View Tools, you can just select your Google Sheets document and you don't even need to upload it. So that's how I get the quantitative data in here. But that's just numbers. This gets even a lot better if you enter qualitative data as well. And what I do here is an app that is called Day One. It's basically a journal app you can use on Mac or on phone, and certainly also on Windows. And I just fill in information that is important to me every day. I'm actually journaling for a long time. I can show you. I used to write these books. I think it's almost 10 years that I started. This is the book number 8 of this type of books that I wrote into paper. But now I decided to switch to a digital version of a journal, because you can just process the data digitally and you can add images, and it has many more advantages. It's available everywhere, of course. But anyways, the cool thing about it now is that you can feed it into AI. And so back to the content of the journal for me, for example. Well, let's ignore the details here. I'll do a different video about it. But what's important is that I write what happens every day, what I care about, what I think I didn't do well, what I should stop, what I should do more. And so if I just write down my thoughts, which I used to do in these journals all the time, but they used to get lost. And now if they're in here, they're captured and will be processed with AI, which is why I think it's so amazing. And so I just filled in these data points with the scorecard and the journal. And I wrote this simple prompt here. You are a high-performance coach who uses both qualitative and quantitative data to coach me, your client. To inform your coaching, please analyze all the attached data and write me a comprehensive coaching report for the areas of work, relationships, and health. And of course, you could adjust this according to your own needs. So you can say, I don't care about the personal life, or in addition to this, I care about building up wealth or whatever. This is really up to you. These are just three very common areas. And then for each of these areas, work, relationships, and health, provide at least 5 specific recommendations as bullet points. And then you can, of course, get more specific, but I just want the specific recommendations. And then it came up with this here. First, it gave me insights and it gave me the recommendations. And they're really good ones. Even though I filled in data only from 1 or 1.5 days, these are already amazing recommendations for me that can help me improve my life. And so that's just what I wanted to share really quickly with you guys today. I know this is a very rough video and it's going to be much better after a month or 2 months, but it's so good that I just wanted to share this with you right away. Have you ever tried out AI-empowered kind of coaching or decision making? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And also, if you'd like me to share more specific information, feel free to just send me a message or a comment also below this video. And lastly, if you're a small business and you'd like kind of coaching how to perform better with AI tools, be that with journaling or be that with implementing AI tools into your business, feel free to book a 30 minutes free consultation call with the link that will be below this video or right next to it. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.